The Strassburger Windows and Doors Visualizer delivers an interactive experience that gives you the ability to choose from various window styles and colors to get a good idea of what great-looking Strassburger windows will look like on your home. When you first launch the application, you have the option of either getting started with a sample home that comes with the application or uploading a photo of your own home. Choosing a sample home. Select on the Choose a Home and Start Designing link and access and browse the gallery of sample projects. Choose one that you like or that best represents your home. From the photo of the home, select all the windows that you wish to replace and choose the plus button from the left-hand menu. A product selection page will appear on the screen. Select a window style. We will select Model 3000 casement for this example, which will open the configurator with options for designing your window. Your chosen window will appear on the right of the screen. As you select the tabs across the top of the screen, you can now choose specific window configurations, specify the finish, select a brick mold, choose a grid, select a grid pattern, and change the view of the glass. Your selections will appear on your chosen window on the right side of the screen. From the Configuration tab, choose a single configuration. Next, choose the Finish tab. This allows you to select from a standard color or double nature stain. Choose a finish from the drop-down menu. The Brick Mold tab allows you to experiment with various trim. Select the option you would like to apply to your window. Next, let's select the Grid tab and choose the grid style which you would like to see. Access the Grid Pattern tab next and select the grid pattern design that best suits your tastes. Choose the View tab next and change the appearance of the glass to your liking. On the Summary tab, you can view your selections. If you decide to change the color or configuration of your selection, you can access any of these tabs across the top to change your options. When complete, click the Apply button to place the windows on your home. If you want to reapply previously designed windows to other windows in the house, select the recent products and you will see a list of windows that you can reuse in your design. Uploading your own photo. Another option allows you to upload a photo of your own home. To use this feature, select the Use a Photo of Your Own Home option. Select an image from your computer. If you are using a mobile device, it may prompt you to select from a camera roll or another location depending on your browser and your device. When you have the image you desire, select the Start button. You are now prompted to set the project scale. Using the measuring line, pick 2 points on the screen that you know the distance and type the dimensions using feet and inches. The top and bottom of a door is a good choice. Type in the height of the door. Click the Continue button. Select the Windows button to start placing product. You can either choose a contour method or a rectangle. Choose the contour option. Pick 4 points to outline the window's edge. You will see a highlighted area that defines the edges of the window. If you would like to define a second window, the cloning option is a great time-saving tool for copying and repositioning a new opening. When complete, choose the Done button. If you select the Group tab, you can select multiple windows and group them together. This tells the system that you would like multiple windows to be identical in your design. Select each window that you wish to group together and select the Group button. Continue and select the Design tab. To design windows, select directly on the opening area or select from the left side pane to activate the window configurator. Here, you can select through any combination of options the same way that you did with the sample homes. When you have the design that you like, click the Apply button. Ensure that you create an account using the Create an Account menu if you would like to save your design. If you already have an account, check to see that you are signed in. Save your project using the Save button. And if you would like to reopen your project in the future, you can do so by selecting My Projects from the menu or by selecting Open a Saved Project from the home screen. Once saved, you can print a design report by selecting the Print button. Your design report includes an image of your design as well as the products that you selected. You can also email your design or share a link via social media sites such as Facebook and Pinterest. This video illustrates how to use the Strassburger Visualizer platform to configure and insert windows on your project. The products available in our online visualizer are a limited representation of the styles, colors, and customization options available at Strassburger. Please note that products and colors may not be exactly as shown due to a variance in monitor calibrations. To learn more about our full line of products, please visit www.strassburger.net.